Infonavit is Mexico's Institute of the National Housing Fund for Workers. They are a public financial institution that is funded by the savings of Mexican workers for the unique purpose of funding mortgages. At any given time, they provide housing for over 5 million Mexican workers. But it's not that easy. 1.47 million houses are currently undergoing foreclosure, meaning that homeowners are not repaying their mortgages, and Infonavit has initiated or is considering initiating a process to repossess the homes. Infonavit suspects various reasons why homeowners stop paying their mortgages, such as affordability, but also absconding due to changing neighborhood conditions and safety, quality of life, and the workmanship of homes. The challenges of this project is thus to uncover more information about the foreclosed homes. Specifically, Infonavit needs insights into the geographic locations and distribution of the houses. Infonavit has been collecting data about foreclosed homes for a long time. The 1.47 million records are captured in operational databases distributed across Excel spreadsheets with hundreds of columns. The data was entered manually by hand and sometimes captured by third-party partners. While most data records contain address information on a zip code level, they append 10% of houses without a zip code. A further 2% of houses has zip codes that, based on the Postal Service, don't exist. Ideally, though, Infonavit needs geographic information at finer granularity. 68% of houses have no geocoordinates, and a further 1% of houses has geocoordinates that are incorrect. That leaves us with only 31% of houses with correct fine-grained addresses. While Infonavit has a lot of data, they have limited information about their future housing stock. So our challenge really is how to help Infonavit transition from a database for record keeping to a database they can use for analysis. We are still in the early stages of the project. The data contains sensitive information and needs to pass through bureaucratic processes to grant us approval to use it. So far, we've been reminded that data science isn't always sexy. First and foremost, this is a data cleaning challenge. We expect most of our efforts going into address matching and believe that involving Infonavit in the process will be critical for our success. At the end of the project, we will provide Infonavit with an extended exploratory data analysis, a map view of foreclosed homes, and a database in CSV format that they can use for analysis in R. These outputs will enable Infonavit to better guide foreclosed houses into appropriate support programs and to adapt and expand the support services they offer. By improving Infonavit's access to information, we hope that Mexican workers can continue to benefit from affordable, quality housing, and that Infonavit can sustain and increase the value they offer to workers. We are the sole volunteers from across the globe, helping Infonavit analyze their portfolio of foreclosed mortgages. And we are working with a team from Infonavit that has been a fabulous project partner so far.